Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.
In this video, we will see how you can add forms to your sprints. Here we have a sprint. To add a form, simply navigate to the Forms view. If this view is not added, click on the plus button and click on Add next to Forms. Once the view is added, you'll see all these options at the top to help you get started. Below that, you'll see all your forms. Creating a new form is easy. You can start with a blank form, use AI to create a form, or use one of the existing templates. We will use AI to create a feedback form. So we will click on Start with AI. Enter the form name and provide a form description. If you want to attach any files, add them in the knowledge base. You also have the option to enable search. Once done, click on Generate Form. Our form is ready, and here we can see all the form fields. You can delete any fields that are not needed. Then click on Insert Form and Fields. And here we can see our form. If you want to change the background color, select a different color from here. Below this, you can change the Submit button color. Here's the Submit button. Simply choose a different color from here. In the settings, you can enable reCAPTCHA. You can also enable or disable Kroolo branding. If you want to limit the number of responses, enable this toggle and input the number of responses. You can schedule a close date from here. Enable this and pick a date from the calendar and hit Apply. If you want to add additional form fields, you can drag and drop fields from here. For new form fields, click on the plus button. For example, to add a country field, click on Add next to Country. Type the name of the field and click on Add Field. The field is added, let's drag and drop it here to add it in our form. Here's our country field. To preview the form, click on Preview. In the Responses section, you'll see all your responses. The Insights section provides all the form insights. To publish the form, click on this toggle. Our form is now published. Copy this link and share this link with anyone.
This is how you can add forms to your sprints.
Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.